Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about our favorite YouTubers and why. So mine is the Ace family, and Jake Paul and Erica Castell and their Team 10 members. And just Amiria. I'm going to tell you why I love the Ace family, because they're so sweet, they're kind, they stick up for each other, and I really want to meet them because I never met a YouTuber in my whole entire life, and every time I see their intro, it's so cute when Al plays her book and kisses her doll. So cute. I really want to meet them. I really want to meet them so bad, and I love them. It makes me so sad that I never saw them on my whole entire life. And about why I like Jake Paul, because he's a savage. Yeah, he's a savage. He's cool, and
everybody thinks that.
And I just like him for who he is.
And she likes him as a crush.
And then about Erica, she's pretty, she's smart, and she's thoughtful. And then I just want to meet every single person. And Amiria, she loves slime just like I do. And she's smart and funny. Well, every YouTuber is funny to me. And I love her slime. They're so pretty and soft. I just really want to meet all my YouTubers for real. Now it's your turn.
When I watch the Dobry Brothers videos, oh shit, I got you. I'll be right back. Wait, I'm gonna keep my phone in. Never mind, I'm not gonna
do it. You have to do it again, because you said the SH word.
I said shoot.
I was just saying something to my brother, okay? Nobody did. Huh? Nobody knocked on the door.
I heard ding dong.
No, that's the thing beeping.
Are we gonna restart the video?
No.
You said that.
Okay.
It's gonna be kind of weird.
Say why you love them. What, Jaden?
Well, every time I watch the Dobry Brothers, right? I feel sad because I never got to meet them.
Oh yeah, about the Dobry Brothers.
Huh?
I really want to meet them. They're so funny and smart. I just really want to meet them because they're I just really want to meet them because I love all my YouTubers. And I really want to meet them so bad. I would give anything to them, but I love them so much. Okay, think about it. So now it's my brother's turn, but I don't know where he is.
What?
Oh, right there. Okay, it's my brother's turn.
talk about your YouTuber. Every time I watch the Dobber Brothers, right, it makes me kind of sad because I'm their biggest fan, and they're actually pretty funny. And every time I watch it, I get so sad. Now I'm about to cry because they're so nice, and they love the fans. I'm one of the biggest fans, and I never got to see them in my life. But it just makes me laugh when I see their videos, because they make funny videos, and it's so cool. And yeah, that's for all of my YouTubers. But I wish I wish Lucas and Marcus went back to I wish Lucas and Marcus and Darius and Cyrus don't move from their parents. Well, even though it's gonna be close, but still. Guys, look, this is how sticky it'll stay on my hands. I hope the Dobber Brothers watch this video. Yeah, and the Team 10, I really want to see them because they're savage. They do everything that we tell them to, and the Ace family too. And yeah, that's all I have. Sorry guys. I wish I had more to tell you, but that's all I have. Okay, I'll close out this video.